Hey there, you wonderful, wonderful people. Honestly, you are honestly great people. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. So, tonight is the night. I've just been sat in the garden relaxing for a minute and I've come inside because tonight is bonfire night. So, everywhere in this country, pretty much every single town has its own display, and even private people, just like everyday people, can have their own home displays if they've got a garden or anything else. That's what I'm going to do shortly. I have just come inside quickly because I just need to go through what I have in this tub here and what I'm going to be setting off tonight. I don't want to be setting fireworks off for 1 and 2 and 3 hours, and they are really expensive, but my God, I tell you, I'm going to put on a great show. The plan is to do a load of fountains, from little fountains to really big ones, quite a few rockets, at least a handful of rockets, probably a handful of shot tubes, some firecrackers, no doubt, safely, and some other stuff. Oh, a 21 shot cake as well, which should be amazing. There you go.
That's nice. That was cool.
They're not bad, are they? This will be mega, man. Don't go out.
Ah! It's gone out. Careful. It's getting wet. Ooh!
It ain't nice. Just as the car's coming. This is out of the loud box, but it'll be just crackles again, probably in colour and This won't be loud or something. They're just short, colourful ones. This will give a hell of a called high tide.
Yeah, so that's nice.
Could be a YouTube duo. I could be your assistant.
It's going to be very loud.
Oh god.
What about that? That wasn't as loud and crackly as I thought.
come on.
Retire immediately.
Won't land on me.
No. Yeah, these are quite. 21 shots. Never done one of these, so I don't know what to do. There's a lot. No trees in the way.
Careful.
Don't know what this will do. And it'll shoot 21 shots in the air.
Ooh. Oh. Oh.
So I really hope you enjoyed the show for Bonfire Night, November the 5th here in England. Ending with that amazing 21 shot barrage. Fantastic. Remember, I have 559 other videos across 15 amazing playlists on this Paulby Hostin 85. So please go and check those out. And if you like this video, please do go down below, like, especially subscribe, share and hit that notification bell. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you all very soon for the next video.